Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. So today we are going to be doing another smoothie. So what you will need for your smoothie will be banana, blueberries, and I also have the mixed berries here. I have honey, I have flax seeds, I have oats, I have milk, I have crushed ice, and I have little piece of ginger here. So we're basically not going to measure anything, you guys. I'm just eyeballing things as I go. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. But you can measure whatever you want to measure. Okay, so honey. I'm gonna take about that. I'm gonna take my ginger now and put it in. Take some crushed ice. Ooh. You guys, I just came up. I just take everything out of the freezer. It wasn't anything planned, but I just wanted to drink something, okay? Ooh, you guys, look at that. Look at that color right there. Looks so good, don't it? So you guys, this looks so good. It wasn't planned or anything like that. Like I said, I just decided to just put everything together and come up with this. But, you know, as a smoothie, I hope you guys like it. Let me try it and see. You guys know I've been doing this lately. a lot now, smoothie. So definitely go. Yo. Definitely. Yes. In the morning, definitely. You guys, yes. And this flex seed right here, it does make me go to the bathroom a lot. So I try to put it on everything that I can. So, alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.